Hi, Lindsay here with Best Buy's blog. Today we're taking a look at the Cuisinart single speed hand blender. Inside the box of the Cuisinart hand blender, you're going to find the power handle at the back there, as well as the immersion and whisk attachment, the USB charging cord, as well as the adapter, a mixing and measuring beaker, and then the instruction and recipe booklet. I have the immersion blender attachment on, and I have plugged in the adapter and USB to charge the unit. And then as you can see, the blue lights are currently flashing, and once all three are solid, you are fully charged. I have previously made some whipping cream with the Cuisinart hand mixer, but I just thought I'd quickly show you the whisk attachment. It just locks on here, and then it does require you pressing the unlock button. Once you do that, you'll see the blue lights light up, and you have to immediately press the power button. For the hand blender, you have to hold the power button down while it's in use. Personally, I find this whisk attachment a little too powerful for whipping cream, but I'll just show you how it works. So as you can see, it does have quite a kick to it. I have the stainless steel immersion blender attachment now. It just goes on here, onto the unlock, and then twist to lock into place. In my bowl here, I have some stock and some roast veggies. Immersion blenders are great for cream soups, sauces, and smoothies. So just like the whisk attachment, press the unlock button, blue lights light up, and power on. So I'm just going to immerse it right into the bowl. If it's not covered, you're gonna create a big mess. So immerse it into your bowl, unlock, and then power on. So as you can see, I made a little bit of a splash there. Immersion blenders are very powerful, and you will feel it suction down into the bottom of the bowl or whichever you're using for your mixing. My sauce is now finished, just within seconds really. And then just to note, the stainless steel immersion blender attachment as well as the whisk attachment are both not dishwasher safe. Just remove them from the blending handle and then give them a quick wash in warm soapy water. Thanks for watching, and you can read my full review of the Cuisinart single speed hand blender on Best Buy's blog.